Mastering objective case pronouns. Be the pro of English grammar. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into a crucial topic in English grammar, the objective case in pronouns. The objective case in pronouns is often overlooked, but mastering it can take your English grammar skills to the next level. So, buckle up as we explore this exciting aspect of English grammar together. An objective case pronoun is a type of pronoun that is used as the object in a sentence. They are words that receive the action in a sentence. Here's a list of objective case pronouns: me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. These pronouns can act as direct objects, indirect objects, or objects of prepositions. A direct object is the person or thing that directly receives the action of the verb. Let's look at some examples using our objective case pronouns. She likes me. We saw him at the mall. They invited us to their party. In each of these sentences, the objective case pronoun is the direct recipient of the action. Indirect objects are the person or thing that indirectly receives the action of the verb. They are the beneficiaries or recipients of the action. Here are some examples. She gave him a gift. They told us a story. He sent her a letter. In these sentences, the objective case pronoun is the indirect recipient of the action. An object of a preposition is a pronoun that follows a preposition and completes its meaning. Some examples are: she sat next to him. He jumped over it. They walked towards us. In each of these sentences, the objective case pronoun completes the meaning of the preposition. And there you have it, a complete guide to understanding and using the objective case in pronouns. With practice, you'll find these pronouns becoming a natural part of your English grammar skills. Remember, practice makes perfect. I hope you found this video helpful and enlightening. Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll continue exploring the fascinating world of English grammar. Happy learning!